Today we're going to do a Bassmods install all-in-one preamp with the quick connects. I'm going to go over and show us how to quickly install it and get you playing right away. Note that the depth on this bass is approximately 33 millimeters deep, so that deeper and you'll be fine. Once you start and having removed your previous preamp, you're going to gather your wires together. We got the pickups and the bridge ground. You're going to want to trim your wires accordingly. Of course, if they're too long, strip them back to about where this second pot is. And we've labeled it for you, neck and bridge, and the grounds will always go to the center. So the color codes on this bass, greens are ground, so I'm going to take the neck and put the hot in the far lug position. There we go, and the ground to the center position. Might want to pick up a jeweler's flathead screwdriver if you don't already have one. So let's turn this sideways a smidge. Grounds go to the center. And the last hot to the far side. Okay, one thing I know I forgot is the bridge ground. You're going to just tap that in to either of these center lugs that you've already put the pickup grounds on. So I'll just back this one out real fast. Alright, link those together. Tighten everything back up. All your wires are done, almost ready to play. We're just going to install our 9-volt. We're going to gently coax the wires into place, make sure the battery's sitting flat, and boom, everything sits right in. Reinstall your screws and you're ready to jam. All Easy Connect preamps wire up the same, so this will work for all Bassmods quick connect preamps. Aguilar as well.